Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets. All right. I believe this is day 10. So first thing first off, let's refresh the page and see if we got any sales. Okay, no, it doesn't look like we have, which is completely fine. So the reason why I like promoting the $25 one business is because you slowly build up income for yourself for free. Basically, once you get a certain amount of sales, right, and you pass that threshold amount of income you need, you really don't need to promote it anymore. You know, you get a certain amount of people in there. Like, for example, let's say I think I can handle all my bills around $2,000 to $3,000 a month, right? If I can get about 20 people in that also pay the $100 monthly fee, I'd be straight for the rest forever without even promoting it anymore if they stay in. That's why I think it's so important. It's 80% commissions and every month too. So it's insane the amount of money you can make promoting a product like this. So let's get to it here. Move on. So we're gonna go to my lead gen secrets here on my fresh account, my freshest account, just one account, because I want to emulate what people would get when they first start. All right, so we're gonna promote using I don't know, let's go with this one. I like that one. That one seems to do really well. So we're gonna promote this one to say create unlimited income for life. Now y'all can copy this if y'all want to. So I go to help you create true long-term income, blah blah blah. There you go right there if you want to copy it. And we're just gonna hit perfect timing and we're gonna send it. I could put my picture here. You know what? Let's do that. So we're gonna go to Imgur and find my signature photo. I still got it on Imgur for some reason. Let's go here. I'm gonna go to images. I'm gonna hit right here. Maybe click on that. Let's copy image address. We'll go back here, and then we just click here. Like that. We'll put like 170 here because that's too big. Yeah, that's a little better. All right. Sincerely. I spelled it right? I don't know. It don't matter. Okay, guys, that's about it. That's the email there. We put our face on there, so it looks a little bit more like a person sent it to them, which is the fact, right? I mean, it can work without a signature too. I've gotten sales from emails I sent without a signature too. Simply, I tested a lot of stuff, emails and stuff, and tried out a bunch of stuff. It seems like my picture seems to do a little bit better when I put my picture up there. I don't know if it might be the certain emails I'm sending with my picture up there, but they tend to do a little bit better, I think. But this email has done really well for me, even without my picture. Let's see what it does with my picture. If it does worse, I know that it don't matter. If it does better, you know, if it does better, then I know it does matter. All right, so let's send it. Make sure to hit perfect timing as well. What perfect timing does, it'll send an email around the time that people check their emails individually. So, for example, 2 different people check their emails at 2 different times. It'll send an email around that time, so the email shows up on the top of their list, so you can't miss it. All right, so That's about it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. All the links are in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.